Hey, welcome back to our channel. I am Shreya from analyticsjobs and today I have got something very interesting for you all. Have you heard about hackathons? Well, if not, watch the video till the end as you will be amazed to know about what are hackathons and how you can win them. A hackathon is typically a day-long coding competition where designers, software programmers, developers, etc. come together to build and design something cool. The organizers usually hold workshops throughout the hackathon for anyone who is new to programming or someone who wishes to learn more about a particular topic. There are intense brainstorming and development sessions for people to come up with new ideas and hence help in learning and gaining more practical knowledge in just a day that might take months of lectures to do so. There is a myth of winning hackathons that they are so difficult to handle, but actually it's not. You just need to focus on 5 steps to win them all. Step 1. Focus on a single problem. An idea equals a clear problem statement plus how you will solve it. While you need to focus on a single problem, remember, the sky is the limit, so inspire our judges with new ideas that take their technologies and solutions to an entirely new dimension. Step 2. Refine your message. Don't waste your time in creating or demonstrating login screens or other extraneous elements as you have very little time to code and pitch. Get right to the point and focus only on the elements that contribute to your pitch. Step 3. Hack the clock. With just 24 hours available, you have to make the most of your time, so stay on the track and hit the goal. Step 4. Practice your pitch. You get 24 hours in a hackathon but only a couple of minutes to present your work. Don't let all the effort be wasted by presenting a bad pitch. Prepare for potential questions from the judges with the right pitch practiced. Step 5. Have fun. Despite being a competition, always remember to have fun as it is a big opportunity for you to learn and gain new experience. Don't put too much pressure on yourself or worry about the result. Hackathon is a tremendous learning experience and a great chance to experiment and meet interesting people and take away all the positives you can from the entire experience. So signing off for today, do not forget to like, comment, share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any informative and exciting update we bring for you.